books and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky!
The fairest of them all. So, yes. Hey! Bleh. My stupid big ears are ridiculous. And don't get me started on my tail. Oh, I might as well give up. I'm not pretty. Not like these flowers are. They're just simply beautiful. And I'm just simply not. Wouldn't it be just wonderful to be a flower?
What do you think?
Good, but there's something missing.
Yeah, it needs something beautiful.
That's it. Every first-class fountain needs to have a lovely statue in it.
Bucky! Bjorn! Hi there! You notice anything?
Jeez Louise, Franny. What's that thing on your head? Did you chug flower juice or something?
Hey, come on! Why are you laughing? Doesn't everyone think flowers are beautiful?
Yes, flowers are very beautiful, but a fox in a weird flower headdress thing, not so much.
It's not like you guys are beauty experts or anything. Forget you guys.
Whoa! I know just what our fountain needs. Just right. Isn't it?
I'm not really sure it is.
Yeah, you're right, and I agree.
Chug flower juice, bah. They don't know what's pretty. Ah, fishy! It's so pretty. Wouldn't it be wonderful to be a fish?
Cool, right?
Seriously? You want to put a recliner in the middle of a fountain?
Well, yeah. It looks nice, and you can climb up and sit on it.
I see. Just be sure to remember your umbrella.
Hey, guys! Notice anything? I'm really, really pretty like this, right? Ooh!
Franny's been eating too much sushi. Look, even a fish knows a chair shouldn't be in a fountain.
Franny, are you all right? Why are you a fish?
Because fish are beautiful. You don't get it.
I've got it, Bjorn. I know just what we need. Right? Ha-ha! Yeah! Ha! Right? Huh? No, not quite.
Huh? No, Ian's right.
Help us find the perfect thing we wish we might. Look at it, perfection itself.
That is 12 kinds of goofy.
Hey, this is not goofy. Chicky rocks. Hey, where do you think you're going? Get back here, stop. Disappointment. What is happening right now? A peacock's tail? Check it out.
Well, peacocks happen to be the prettiest birds on the entire planet.
Yeah, but a peacock is a peacock, see? And you can't be one because you're a fox.
This is just too much. Franny the peacock. Perfect. Too much. It's just so great.
This doesn't make me beautiful either. Stop laughing.
Franny, hey! Franny, wait, don't go. You hurt her feelings. Guess we both hurt her feelings.
Hey, dude, listen. I've got the answer to our fountain problem. Come with me, because I've had a thought that could unify the whole darn plot. We'll put the perfect thing in the perfect spot. 1, 2, 3. We've kind of both been lousy friends, so we'll make the thing that makes amends. Sweet Franny's happiness depends on you and me. Yes, sirree. Welcome to the grand opening of our brand new magnificent fountain. It's been a long, strange road, but at long last, it's completely done.
Come on, enough talk. Ready, set, fly!
What the huh? Is that me? You guys put me in the middle of your pretty fountain? But wouldn't it be better to pick something beautiful?
Franny, what could possibly be more beautiful than you?
We think you're the most beautiful fox in the history of the entire planet.
Turn it on, Bjorny.
You're right. I don't look half bad up there. I'm really thirsty all of a sudden. Franny's birthday!
Get ready to feel the sting of defeat, because here comes a world-class goal.
Yeah, bring it on, Big Bear.
A beautiful kick. It's going, goner. Oh, man. Chicky, hey, what do you have? This is to all my friends. Today is my birthday. Everybody's invited to my house for yummy cake and punch from your friend Franny.
What? I didn't realize it was Franny's birthday.
It's so great. All the cake I can eat.
Dude, I'm gonna go and get Franny the best birthday present ever.
Yeah, right.
Huh?
Don't even bother, my friend. I'm gonna give Franny the coolest present.
Oh, yeah? All right, then. We'll just see about that. The greatest present ever. Come on, Bjorn, use your brain. A chicken popsicle. No, wait. Ugh. Oh, I just had a Bucky-esque genius idea. Table, ice, talent, nice. If I chisel from the heart, it'll set my gift apart. Then it won't be just a present, it'll be a work of art. Awesome, right? That's a darn cool present. And not just because it's made of ice. Do you think she'll like it?
Ha! That's the best you could do? A weird frozen Franny Francicle? You don't have a chance, Bjorn. I'm gonna show you just how awesome a present can be. A cool idea? No, actually, it's hot. I know that Franny will like it quite a lot and say that it's the greatest gift she's ever got. The Franny Bug! Yeah! Oh, no one's ever seen a present like this. This'll be Bjorn's frozen fox easy. Hey, Chicky, do you love my present? The greatest present ever, right? Unlike Bjorn's gift.
You've done well telling me about this. I'm going to have to take my ice fox to the next level. Table, ice, twice as nice. Ah, look at that. It's the best present ever.
So that's how it's gonna be, is it? You just wait until I'm done with Franny Botzilla! Taking walks and playing games. A bit to the left, when there's sunny weather. Now to the right.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Sheesh, put your beak into it. We're almost there now. Why is ice this heavy?
If there's rain, they'll sing some song. Stop, just stop. Stop, please. Your maker says stop. Don't turn left, you'll fall down the hill. You big brainless walking junk pile. Every day just has a way of stinking.
It looks like somebody will be showing up giftless. What a shame.
That's right, but I don't think I'm alone in that.
What are you talking about?
Maybe you should turn around.
Huh? Bummer.
Happy birthday, you know who, in the sunny weather. Party guests, oh, where are you? Wish we were together.
Well, this stinks. You work hard on a great present and the dumb thing falls apart, leaving you with nothing to give.
Franny's probably just sitting there alone and sad.
So what's the plan? Oh, hey, Bjorn! Would flowers make a nice present?
Yeah, Franny really likes plants and stuff.
I know where I can pick some flowers that Franny will love.
Bucky, where did you get those flowers?
Never mind, just ring the bell.
Hello there, Franny. Happy birthday.
We're sorry, but we didn't bring you any presents.
Hey, you guys are the only present I need.
that's nice. Oh yeah, we did manage to bring you these.
Wowee! Gosh, these flowers are really pretty. Just like the ones I have in my flower bed.
Bucky, tell me you didn't pick those flowers from Franny's own garden.
Yes, I did. How else could I be sure she'd love them? The never-ending day.
Look, Franny, it's the turtle right above us.
It's where? Wait, I see it! Wow. And there's the whale!
Oh yeah, the whale!
That is not a whale. It's a bunch of white dots in the dumb dark sky. Nighttime. Why do we even need nighttime?
Well, we just do. For reasons and stuff.
We don't need it at all. You've just never thought about living without it. Think what you could do if you didn't have to sleep all night. We'd never have to stop playing. Wouldn't it be cool? I just need to invent a sunshine-o-matic troninator. Sure, the sun is fine, but there are times it doesn't shine, and we can fix that with a super smart, incredible design. All it takes is lots of work and brilliant thoughts, plus a giant light bulb pumping like a zillion watts. And when the work's all done, we'll have a year-round substitute sun. That's it, mammals! The Sunshine-O-Matic Troninator! The largest ever light bulb in the world with a Googleplex watts! And 4 ultra-high-powered rotors to keep the beautiful machine airborne. Awesome, right? We'll never need the sun again! Genius time! That's right, big fella. Fly, fly! Let's see. Oh, yeah! Got it! The dawn of a new day! Good morning!
Awesome! Exactly like the sun! It's nighttime, but it's daylight. It's night day or day-night.
Hey, Bjorn, do you feel like playing a little ball?
That sounds awesome. Just let me brush my teeth.
How come? You already brushed them. I mean, you haven't been to bed since then, right?
That's right. I haven't slept yet.
Just another plus of never having nighttime. Come on, let's find Franny.
Good afternoon, Franny.
Well, hello there, Bjorn and Bucky. Look at this amazing scarf I knitted last night. I mean night day. No, day-night.
Another reason living without night's just great. Franny, hey, make with the pies. And yummy honey, and jam, and cookies. Oh, yeah, and candy, too.
Bucky, that's not a very healthy breakfast.
But is it really breakfast? Breakfast is in the morning, right? When you get up. And we haven't just woken up, right? Every meal is lunch from now on.
I love the never-ending day.
Way up high in the sky. There's a shining light that lets us kiss oh, boring sleep goodbye. Real fun in the fake sun. Oh, we'll play, and we'll run. We'll play everything twice before we're done. And the best part is we've just begun. Isn't this no-night thing just great? Who'd have thought it was possible to fit all this into just one day?
Tell me about it. I feel dumb forever sleeping in the first place.
Hey there, guys. What's up?
Having all the
You
fun.
better believe it. It's just the greatest, right?
rules.
Longest day ever. Wait, I mean best. Guys, you're not tired or anything, right?
No way.
But, Franny, are you?
I might be a little sort of tired.
Honestly, I might pass out right here, right now.
I think I know what the problem is. We have to set the Sunshine-O-Matic Troninator so it shines brighter. Then we'll have pep coming out of our ears. All right, that's just fine. A bit further. More up here. What's the word? Oh, yeah, higher. I think the sun might be broken. Fix later, snooze first.
Yeah, sleep is pretty awesome, you know.
I was thinking maybe you shouldn't bother fixing it.
Franny, that sounds like an absolutely brilliant idea. Bjorn, question. Which constellation is that?
The sleepy crab.
And that one there?
Napping weasel.
Maybe this nighttime thing isn't such a bad idea after all. Oh, I know that constellation. It's the snoring warthog, right? And there's the yawning walrus.